Welcome to the chapter Similar Triangles for Standard 10. Now here in this question it is given ABC is a right triangle and angle B is equal to 90 degrees and AD and CE are the medians. If AC is equal to 5 centimeters and AD is equal to 3 root 5 by 2 centimeters, find the length of CE. So here we will start with AD squared is equal to, in triangle ABD, AD squared is equal to AB squared plus BD squared. This we can write it as AB squared plus BD, we will write it as, so this median means D is the midpoint of BC. So we will write BD as half of BC the whole squared. So this will become AB squared plus 1 by 4 BC squared. AD squared is equal to. Now we will take this BCE as in triangle BCE. CE squared is equal to BE squared plus BC squared. So BE we will write this as half of AB. So half of AB the whole squared plus BC squared. So CE squared is equal to 1 by 4 AB squared plus BC squared. So we will add, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Adding 1 and 2, we will get AD squared plus CE squared is equal to AB squared 1 by 4 AB squared plus 1 by 4 AB squared plus BC squared plus 1 by 4 BC squared. So this will become 5 by 4 AB squared plus 5 by 4 BC squared. So 5 by 4 AB squared plus BC squared. So what is given? AC is given and AD is given. Now AB squared plus BC squared is AC squared. So in triangle ABC we have not written that. So this is equal to 5 by 4 AC squared. So the reason is in triangle ABC, AB squared plus BC squared is equal to AC squared. So here if you substitute now AC, now substituting all the values you will get CE. So AD is 5, sorry, AD is 3 root 5 by 2. So 3 root 5 by 2 the whole squared plus CE squared is equal to 5 by 4 AC squared. AC squared is 25. So CE squared is equal to 125 by 4 minus, now this will become 3 into 3 9 into 5 45, 45 by 4. So this will become 20. 80 by 4 is 20. So CE is equal to root 20 is equal to root 5 into 4. So 2 root 5 centimeters. So here in this triangle, it is a triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC and AD squared is equal to BD into CD is also given. Now we have to prove ABC is a right triangle. So we'll in triangle ADB, AB squared is equal to AD squared plus BD squared. In triangle ADC, AC squared is equal to AD squared plus CD squared. Let this be equation 1 and this is 2. So adding 1 plus 2, we get AB squared plus AC squared is equal to 2 twice AD squared plus BD squared plus CD squared. So now it is given AD squared is equal to BD into CD. So we will substitute that twice BD into CD plus BD squared plus CD squared. AD squared is equal to BD into CD is given. So this is equal to, now if you see, this is of the format A squared plus B squared plus 2AB. So this will become BD plus CD the whole squared. So now BD plus CD the whole squared will become BC squared. So you got AB squared plus AC squared is equal to BC squared. Therefore, ABC is a right triangle where angle A is equal to 90 degrees. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. So in this problem, it is given, it is a right angled triangle at C, and the ratio of the segments are also given. BQ by QC is 2:1 and AP by PC is 2:1. So the ratios are same, but so when you take the variable, you should not take as x for both. So you have to take this BQ by QC, I have taken it as x and 2x, and AP by PC is y and 2y. So if you see, BC will be 3x and AC will be 3y. Now we have to prove 9, this AQ squared plus BP squared is equal to 13 AB squared. So now proof. So you have to write down all these when you write in the exam. Now AQ squared is equal, we'll take triangle ACQ, AQ squared is equal to AC squared plus CQ squared. So that is AC is 3y the whole squared plus 2x the whole squared. So that is equal to 9y squared plus 4x squared. So here we have to prove 9 AQ squared plus BP squared is equal to 13 AB squared. Okay, leave it. AQ squared is equal to, so 9y squared, yeah. Now BP squared is equal to, in triangle BCP, BP squared is equal to, similarly 2y the whole squared plus 3x the whole squared. So that will become 4y squared plus 9x squared. Yeah. Now we will add these two. You will get AQ squared plus BP squared is equal to 9y squared plus 4x squared plus 4y squared plus 9x squared. So, that is equal to 13x squared plus 13y squared. So, 13 into x squared plus y squared. So, this x squared is BQ squared and y is AP squared. So, here it is 9. So, we will multiply by 9, multiply by 9, you get 9 into AQ squared plus BP squared is equal to 13 into 9 I will multiply inside. So, it is 9x squared plus 9y squared. So, now this is equal to 9x squared will become, so this is equal to BC squared. 13 into 9x squared is actually BC squared plus, because BC is 3x. So, 9x squared is BC squared plus 9y squared is AC squared. So, we have got it. So, BC squared plus, no, BC squared plus AC squared will be AB squared is equal to 13 AB squared. The reason is in triangle ABC, AB squared is equal to AC squared plus BC squared. So, 9 AQ squared plus BP squared is equal to 13 AB squared. So, here in this triangle, triangle PQR, QM is perpendicular to PR and this data is given PR squared minus PQ squared is equal to QR squared. Now, we have to prove QM squared is equal to PM into MR. So, now let us give this angles 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, PR squared minus PQ squared is equal to QR squared. So, PR squared is equal to PQ squared plus QR squared. PR squared is equal to PQ squared plus QR squared. So, that means angle, therefore, angle PQR is equal to 90 degrees by converse of Pythagoras theorem. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. So, now angle, that is angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 90 degrees. Yeah. Now, 1 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 degrees. Reason is QM is perpendicular to PR is given. So, we have from this is 1 and this is 2. So, from 1 and 2 we can say 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 2. So, angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Similarly, we can say angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So, 1 is equal to 3 and 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, we will take, now consider the triangle PMQ and QMR. Triangle PMQ and triangle QMR. Now we have angle 1 PMQ, angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 1 equal to angle 3, angle 2 equal to angle 4. Therefore, and of course this is also 90 degrees. From this we can say triangle PMQ is similar to triangle 1 equal to 3. So P1 equal to 3. So we have to write QMR. QMR. Now A similarity. From this we can write PM by QM is equal to MQ by MR. So we will cross multiply, you get QM squared is equal to PM into MR.